Hey everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. So we are going to fold this mini strip of red paper. Now fold it into half, then tuck the paper inside from its center partition. Again we are going to repeat the same process. Put the paper inside like we are doing here. We are making the butterfly at the center here. Now we are going to make a small strip. Open it, tuck the paper and make a ring, and look, your butterfly ring is ready. First we are going to make a star, so we are going to fold this blue strip of paper and make a pentagon shape. Now we are going to roll it again and again and tuck the paper inside. After this we are going to give shape from its corners, and look, your star is ready. Now we are going to make more such stars and sew all of them together with thread and needle. And look, your wristband, or you can say bracelet, is ready. Tie the knot and it's done. We're going to make these mini bags today. For that we are going to fold this printed paper. Now make two folds and start folding it from both its sides as well. We are making triangles here. After this we are going to open it, squeeze it and make a square box like this, and tuck the paper inside like we are doing here from both its sides. Now we are going to put handles on both sides, and look, your mini bags are ready. We are going to fold this paper into three parts and cut one portion, fold it and make this small strip. Now we are going to tuck the paper inside from its center part, give it more shape like we're doing here. Open it gently. Now we are going to open the both sides paper like this, and look, your bow is ready. We are folding this red craft paper and give it a shape of heart from its top and bottom. Flip it and look, it's ready. We are going to fold this printed craft paper from its diagonals, then we are going to squeeze it, make a triangular shape and start folding it from its corners like we are doing here. Open it and look, your heart shape is done. Now we are going to make the center part, so we are going to make mini folds at the center, and also we are cutting it using a cutter. Now we are going to flip the paper like this, give it shape from its corner, and look, your heart shape is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.